how do you go about prompting a voice AI agent? So here we have Nolan, here's a content agent here at the founders table, and here is the voice version in 11labs. So firstly, we have a couple things to do. This is a conversational agent. We go into the settings, we set up the first message, Nolan here, how can I help? And the most important thing, the system prompt. So we define the role for him, very specific style guide for how to speak, the cadence, talk like a human, you can see in caps. So it's just a bit more natural. It says ums, ahs, things like that. So very conversational style. We go very deep into a style guide and example interactions as well. Now we need to pick the large language model. We have Claude 3.5, which is very smart, but it can be a bit slower with responses. So that's something to keep in mind. We run a temperature of 0.5 as well. So the knowledge base, we give 3 full documents of deep researchers. The first one is how to make really good short form content, so it's skilled in its role. Then we have context on the background of our founders, so their previous business and their personal backgrounds. And then finally, the context on the current business, the founders table. So what the content being created today is actually about. Here we have a transcript of it actually working, and it's really good in 11labs because you can see what chunks of the knowledge base is being retrieved in its answers. We can see in this script idea that we've asked Nolan for, it's referencing RealBase, which is the business that Frank and Jack sold. So it's picking that up from the document that we've inputted about their personal background. Then we also have a hook, body, and call to action kind of format in a problem solution short form content script. And that is pulled from the short form content knowledge database. From there, you can really pick any voice in the library. There's quite literally 1,000 different voices you can choose. We've chosen a male Australian voice for Nolan, but quite literally any voice, any language you can kind of think of. From there, you can choose how to embed it. So you can use a widget, so kind of like a chat function, or you can embed it as a iframe as well. So lots of possibilities. So that's how you go about setting up a voice-based agent.